my battery's about to die. I know. I had all day to charge it. I'm so mad.
Wish we could fly away, you and I, go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah, make special memories.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Bonaduk and I'm on the go. I had a very busy weekend this weekend. It was my army weekend, but I was talking to Casey Simmons, who's also a YouTuber from Myrtle Beach, and we decided to have a collaboration video. I met her on Facebook Marketplace when she posted this entryway table that I loved and I wanted to get. So we started talking and then she was like, oh, I post videos on YouTube, and I was like, I do too. We actually do the same thing. I mean, you know, the core stuff, repurposing things that we thrift and like decorating and stuff like that. So I think we have very different styles. She's like very minimalistic. Like, I wish I could be like that, but that's just not who I am. The lights are crazy, but I can't wait for better lights because my battery is dying. So because of COVID, we decided that we were each gonna go buy 3 items under $20 at Goodwill, like for each other. So she's gonna buy the 3 items for me and I'm gonna buy the 3 items for her, and then we're gonna repurpose them, or you know, make them our own. So we are each gonna shop separately, and then we're gonna meet and exchange the items, and then we're gonna do our thing, and then we're gonna do a FaceTime call where we're gonna reveal the items to each other. So I'm super excited about this. I am going to a Goodwill that's a little bit out of my way right now because I already went to the Goodwill, the 2 Goodwills that I usually go to that are close to my house. I went yesterday and I went 2 days before that. I was actually gonna do a Goodwill thrift haul with you guys, but I think I'm gonna switch my plans a little bit and I'll release that a little bit later, because I still bought a bunch of stuff that I'm super excited about and I just can't wait to, I want to unpack them with you guys, and then I will start using them, because if I take the prices off, I'm not gonna remember what everything costs. So that is why I am waiting to film that. I don't know if you can hear me right because I've never filmed in the car. I had this car mount stand thing, camera stand thing for a minute. I wanted to film when I went to get healthy, but you know, it was in a rush and things happened, so I didn't. I'm kind of sad right now because I could have had great footage of, you know, our first moments together, but I have it connected now, and let me not talk your ear off. I'll go and I will film in Goodwill if I get the courage to, because I'm still kind of like, not weirded out, but I'm not like super good at like filming in public for the channel. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm so surprised my battery is still like, it's blinking red. It's been blinking red for a minute. These lights, I mean, the sun is facing me. I just got to Goodwill. I have my mask and I'm about to go in there, and I hope I find something good. So I know Casey loves books. Look how cute these are. I mean, I'm pretty sure she loves to read them, but these look really old, and they're CD holders. But I don't think there's much you can do with them, you know? So I'm gonna keep looking. This is a lamp. So freaking cute. This is so much harder than what I thought. I made it to the second Goodwill. It's dark outside and I only got 1 item for the first Goodwill. It is such a cool item. It's too dark for me to show you right now, but the possibilities are endless and I'm like seriously jealous. Also, the battery on my camera died, so I'm filming on my phone if you're wondering what is happening. And this motorcycle is passing right now, so that's gonna be really loud. The rainy day, so it's super cloudy and I'm in my car. I just made it to the gym. I'm about to meet Casey in like, I don't know, after the gym. So I want to show you what I bought her before I give it to her. This is the first thing that I found. Actually, the tag is still like wrapped and everything. It's new. It's from IKEA and it says frame for 3-dimensional picture unfinished. So as it says, obviously, it's made out of wood. It's unfinished. It's maybe like 4 inches wide and it has a glass in here. So you can paint the frame, you can not paint the frame, you can stain the frame. You can put so many things in there. Like, it's just... the possibilities are endless with this one. So I think that was a great first find and I was like, oh my god, this will be a breeze. Well, it wasn't a breeze. That was at the first Goodwill, and then I went to the second one because, you know, it was 3 items for $20 and that was $3.99. So, you know, I had quite a big budget left over. I could not find anything, so I messaged Casey and I was like, can I get a bunch of stuff worth $20 and then, you know, we'll see which ones you finish or not. And she was like, yeah. So she ended up getting me 4 things and I ended up getting her 5 things and I still had $4 left in my budget. It was just not a good Goodwill day. But I actually really love the next item. You can tell it's really old, but I know that she likes like candle holders and stuff like that, and I think this one's super cool. It's made out of wood, so this was 99 cents. That's why my budget, it's like, I'm still not, but it has this thing and then you can put it higher or lower. And let me put it back. It started raining, so the sound is gonna suck, I'm sorry. But yeah, it has these things and they're like rusted, but I'm pretty sure they can be fixed somehow, like spray painted black or something. I don't know. It has the potential of being cool. Then I know Casey loves painting with baking soda, so I found this. I don't know if like maybe she can do like a leather or like braid a holder thing, because this one's obviously broken. I don't think it can be fixed, but even without it, I think this is still super cute. It's just like a teapot thingy-majiggy, and I think that's her style. So this was $3.99. Why won't it focus? Focus. Yeah, it was $3.99. So we are at $9. I also got this. It was $3.99 and it's from Urban Outfitters. It said it was $16 at Urban Outfitters. I think it's so cute. Like, honestly, I don't even know if I would do anything to this. I'll probably just put my keys on it or whatever, but I think it's pretty cool. We'll see what she does with it. The last thing I saw, and I really loved it, and I wished I could have gotten it for myself, but none of my names start with an S, so all of them say S on it, and they still have like the tag and everything, and they were $2.99. So I don't know if she can do anything with them, but I love them and they're super simple and white, and I think she can use them. So that is what I bought her. I'm about to meet her after the gym and we'll see what she got me and then how I'm gonna repurpose it. I got in.
Yay! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Mine's were a little bulky to put in bags. So.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, I can't see anything, so hopefully I'm recording. I'm gonna work on all the projects out here, so I didn't want to like film in there and bring everything out and keep going. So I'm gonna go over what Casey bought for me. And the first thing is this bird feeder that I'm just gonna clean and I will paint. I will paint it gold and then I will put shelves inside, so that will be a nice piece of decor in my living room, because my whole living room is like, well, just watch that video. It's pink and green and it has like gold accents in places. I am not sure where I'm gonna use this. I'm probably gonna use it in my rental unit. It was $2.99. I think the bird feeder was $3.99. But this is a shelf I'm just gonna stand and paint. I'm not sure what color yet, so we'll have to see when we get to it. This, I'm not sure what's intended to be, but I'm gonna get a piece of wood from an old, I don't know what you would call it, like the pallet? I don't know, like I'm gonna show you a picture of it, but I'm gonna get an old piece of wood. I'm gonna cut it, paint it black. I'm just gonna clean this really well because I actually kind of like the color, and I will put it in the back, and then it's gonna be like a separator in the desk. I think I'm gonna put like hair stuff and nail stuff in it, and you can use it for anything. So I actually really like this. And then the fourth thing that she got is this box. It's a jewelry box, and this one doesn't have a price. She said if it doesn't have a price, it was $3.99. So you can put a picture in here. It says hope. Right now I don't like that. I think I'm just gonna put a collage of pictures in there. And then I want to keep the top black, and then I think I'm gonna spray the bottom gold just because I like that vibe. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna clean this. I saw online some people were using tape to just get the little puffy stuff out, but I still want to clean it somehow just to make sure it's sanitized, but we'll see how that goes.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems.
Do you see him? Buddy, what are you doing? Are you sad? Come here. Come here. Oh. Okay. Yes. It turns out you can't FaceTime and record at the same time, like vocally, so we just have video footage of our reactions, and you know, I'll just tell you what happened, okay? The first thing that I showed her was the shelf, which I painted with the unit next door in mind. I did buy tile that has orange in it for the bathrooms, and I think it's gonna go very well over there. And Casey loved it, as you can tell from her reaction in the little corner. Nobody puts baby in the corner, right? The next thing that I showed her was the bird feeder, which she thought it was the most challenging part from what she got me. And I just sprayed it and put the seashells in it, and I'll put it in my living room because I do have, you know, everything, like all my accents are gold, and she was pretty impressed with it because it was kind of a hard one. I had to sleep on that one. The next one I used as a jewelry organizer. What I didn't show you guys in the video is that I did paint the inside of it gold. I did like the blue that it stayed on the outside, and I love it. I love the combination with the blue, the gold, and the black, and it's fairly spacious, so I think you can organize a lot in there. That one was a little bit challenging too, but I had so much fun with it. The last one was the most time consuming. It was a jewelry box, and I just spray painted the bottom gold, as you can see, and the top I left black. You can see my ring light over there. And I put some pictures that I took on my trips to Miami and Key West in there because I had them around and I really love them. I'm not sure how well you guys think that they go with the box, but I really like them, so that's why I used those ones, and I didn't want to pay to print other pictures right now. Why this one took so long is because I decided to take the felt out of it and put new felt in it. I chose gray. I was gonna go for black, but I wanted it to be a little bit different. And I just used tacky glue, and I bought the felt and the tacky glue at Michael's. I don't have that many rings that I need storing, so I didn't do the ring situation in there. I just did the other squares, but I think for my first time it came out really well. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to remake a jewelry box, because I see the standing ones. I actually saw one for like $9.99 when I was shopping for Casey, and I loved it. It was like yay tall, and I didn't think that I got it in me, but now I kind of want to make a video just about repurposing one or like making it prettier. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun having Casey pick some items for me. It was a little bit challenging, but again, it was incredibly fun. To see what Casey did with the items that I bought her, you should go in the description below and click on that link to check out her video. Hopefully in time, COVID will get a little bit less bad and we can have a collaboration where we actually do things together. Next time that we're gonna do this, because we're definitely gonna do this again, we're gonna choose a team or something similar. If you have any collaboration ideas for us to do, you can put it in the comments below. I had a blast and I'm definitely down to do this again. Make sure to hit the like button to help with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to see my future videos and our future collaborations. Make sure to subscribe to Casey's channel. Again, the link is in the description below, and I will see you next time. Take care. Mwah. Yes. I know, it's feeding time. I know. Come on, let's go. So, why wouldn't I start with a so? Birds and all that. It's a very pretty day. I'm gonna work on all the projects out here. Really? It's gonna be like separation, like why don't I have my words with me today? It's gonna be like separator. Make sure to hit the like button. He just doesn't want to let me finish filming.